Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for Organic Chemistry Class 12 Full Guide. Begin by building a strong foundation in bonding and functional groups, then practice mechanisms step by step. Split study blocks into 25 to 50-minute sessions and mix reading with problem solving. Use simple diagrams and draw every reaction yourself. Review mistakes and revisit weak topics weekly to convert short-term memory into durable understanding. Start with a toolkit that includes flashcards, a reaction notebook, and spaced repetition software. Practice by teaching a concept, allowed to check clarity and reveal gaps. Work backward from exam questions to identify frequent reaction types and common pitfalls. Keep a concise error log of misconceptions and revisit it each weekend. Balance synthesis problems with quick concept quizzes to maintain confidence and speed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more study tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which takes chores off your plate so you can focus on reactions and revision. It even has voice control and smart mapping for efficient cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Build confidence through deliberate practice and focused revision cycles. Start each week with a mock test, then target the weakest topics with short drill sessions. Create a one-page cheat sheet of key reagents, conditions, and stereochemical rules for last-minute review. Reduce anxiety by practicing under timed conditions and by explaining tough mechanisms aloud. Finish each study day by summarizing 3 takeaways to reinforce progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.